To continue to progress your hip adduction strength, you can do a Copenhagen leg raise and a Copenhagen plank. So what this looks like, you have a chair or something elevated, you can have one leg underneath it. Starting out, start at your knee, progressing to where your ankle would just be on the edge. So starting here, the easy one will be here. Keep running straight ahead like you're doing a side plank. And you're going to use this leg to pull your body up towards it as you bring the other leg up and in. Hold it for 3 seconds, control down. 1, 2, 3, control down. This can be pretty uncomfortable in that top leg, so just find a position that's comfortable. If it hurts too bad, just stick with the leg raise. This is pretty advanced.